Redbird. What is it, King Pig? Well, I was thinking that I think we should make our differences. For real, King Pig? You're gonna stop being bad all the time and actually change? No, I was just joking. I'll always be bad. I'll always be bad, and I'll always hate you. Wow, I think I should have saw that coming from a mile away. You should have. Because you're dumb and I'm smart. To be honest, they make you fat in the Amber's Tunes show. Don't even talk about that. Yeah, they make you fat. So embarrassing. Shut up. Before I unleash my minions on you again. Your minions don't do shit. The times we beat them for 14 years straight. What makes you think you can beat us again, King Pig, with your dumb minions? Your minions aren't even fat. You even got replaced by Leonard in the Amber's movie. Stop this now. And he's fat as well. You're so annoying. Oh, too bad. I'll be heading now. Bye. I can't believe I just got roasted like that. I must take my revenge. But how? I know. This is another murder attempt. Another mission to kill Redbird. You see this? My Bulldozer. It's gonna be fun. Yes. Haha, Redbird. King Pig, what is that thing? Wow, Redbird. It seems that you have found yourself endless pit. No, I can defeat you. Now kill. What the? What? You piece of shit. I think I ran out of fuel. Nice attempt, King Pig. No, didn't run out of fuel. Come on, work. Work. Bulldozer for nothing. Wow, King Pig. Just wow. Another failed attempt. Miserable, too. If only you're 1 inch closer. Well, that's too bad, because now you're grounded.